Even I'm broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bob.
Hello, what is good and what is going on? It is your boy from Everyday Trippin', and thank you for joining me in another video here today. As you can see, we're going to be at one of my favorite spots on earth. We're going to be at Yaamava Hotel, Resort, and Casino, or better pronounced Yaamava, San Manuel, San Bernardino. This is, in my opinion, the best hotel in California that goes for gambling, and I really do love the hotel rooms as well. In this video here today, you're going to be seeing the hotel room that I'm going to be staying in, and also some slot play towards the end of the video. Without further ado, let's finish driving up to valet here at Yaamava Hotel, Resort, and Casino. For those that know, this drive up to valet is absolutely amazing. It's therapeutic and relaxing. This property is beautiful inside and out, as the palm trees that hint at California. That breeze is lovely. I said the property was beautiful inside and out, so let's make our way inside the room. 646 is the room that I was staying in for this shoot today. This was my first time back at Yaamava Hotel, Resort, and Casino this year, 2023. I have a couple other videos on my channel if you would like to take a look at those. I'll have some links on screen and at the end if that interests you. But this is the standard room. Starters, we're gonna have the closet, we have the suitcase rack, we got some hangers, and a robe, iron, safe. The necessities of a hotel room. I believe all hotel rooms should have that, and at Yaamava Hotel, Resort, and Casino, that is something that you will have. The bathroom looks absolutely luxurious. It's super fine without being too much. I believe the designers really put their foot in all of these rooms, and even throughout the hotel, I believe the color schemes are very, very nice. They're inviting and relaxing. It makes you feel very relaxed and at peace when you are at the premises. The beds in the hotel rooms are probably more comfortable than some of the beds that you're sleeping in at home, so that is a plus. And I would also like to add that the chairs that you are provided with in your rooms are extremely comfortable. Make sure that you make it a priority to sit and get relaxed in those chairs. In the top left hand side of your screen, you're going to see the Y Lounge on that balcony. I do have a video of me staying in the executive suite and visiting the Y Lounge. If that's something that interests you, I'll throw a link on the screen and at the end of the video. With that being out the way, here's a quick edit before the slots. Enjoy. not hitting the grand in this week's video. Previously, it was hit on my channel. I'll have a link on screen and at the end of this video in just a couple seconds if that's something you want to see. A little entertaining. And another video that I have from this amazing property at Yaamava Hotel Resort and Casino, brought to us by San Manuel in San Bernardino. What a beautiful property. This video is not sponsored, although y'all really do need to sponsor me. It is about that time. But enough of me rambling. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'll have some videos on screen right now that are very similar to this one, so check those out, and definitely drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next week as I do weekly videos on this channel. Have a good day or evening where you are, and I'll catch you. Peace.